In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. Rotating text is a simple way to make your spreadsheet tidier and more readable, especially when you're working with narrow columns or long headers. Maybe your labels run off the edge, or you want to save horizontal space without truncating words. With a quick adjustment, you can angle or stack your text so everything fits cleanly and looks intentional. Start by selecting your cells. Click any single cell if you only want to change one. If you need several in a row, click and drag across them. You can also select an entire column or row by clicking its letter or number at the edge of the sheet. The key is that only the cells you highlight will be affected, so take a moment to select exactly what you want to rotate. If you change your mind later, you can always repeat this step and apply a different style to a different selection. Next, go to the Format menu at the top. You'll find it on the main menu bar of your sheet. The Format menu is where you control the way things look: text style, alignment, number formatting, and in this case, rotation. Think of it as your appearance toolbox for cleaning up the layout of your data. Now hover over rotation in that Format menu. Don't click just yet. Simply rest your mouse on rotation and a side menu will appear. This side menu shows the rotation styles available. You'll see options that angle text upward or downward, flip it vertically, or keep it horizontal. As you hover over each style, imagine how your headers or labels will fit. A slight tilt can save space while staying easy to read, while stacked or vertical text can be useful for very narrow columns or compact dashboards. When you find the style that best suits your layout, click it to apply the change to your selected cells. You'll see the rotation take effect immediately. If it doesn't look quite right, just return to the same rotation menu and pick a different style, or choose none to return to normal horizontal text. A helpful tip is to use rotation primarily for headings or short labels. Long paragraphs or detailed numbers often remain clearer when left horizontal. That's all it takes. Select your cells, open Format, hover over rotation, and pick the style that fits your sheet. With just this small adjustment, your data can look cleaner, save space, and be easier